Line.
That's a one more goal. That's a one more project under the belt.
Well, that's a one more project under the belt. Rolling. Action.
Good. That's a one more project under the belt.
All phones and silent.
Yeah,
please.
you have
No, we have to do that over the phone.
Over phone.
not the gentleman.
Oh, sorry.
Just
Continue. Rolling. Action. So, it was more of a happy thing when you do this, and you stop and go so. What that? What's the line?
Them are planning to shut down the project up on the inside.
No, just a theme line. It mix up. So yeah, say let's go so.
Yeah.
What that now?
Okay,
Yeah.
alright.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, man, yeah.
Rolling. Action.
What that?
No. The expression.
Yeah, change your expressions. Just say so.
Oh.
What that now? Rolling. Alright, so see what about your circumstance. Maybe the first set of lines.
She gonna say, Tony. She shout my name. Tony! Then me gonna say, before you go out.
Miranda. Before you go off, it's not nothing to do with me. And then don't answer it when I cut to Siva's face while you answer. Alright? You hear? So after you answer the phone and say, are you first answer?
She first.
No, me say, oh shit. Yes, Miranda.
Right, so when you say yes, Miranda, is a very strong toning. And him say before you go off, this not nothing to do with me.
Yeah.
Then you cut. And I will tell you when to continue the lines, alright? Alright, here we go. So this is you now saying. You see that? Okay.
Luna.
Bubbles blending, you know?
That's it?
Which one is
Stand up,
it?
yes. Yes, rolling. What's the line?
no, they
Put me here.
No, play that over. Approach that.
so wrong.
Over that.
Them have food for that. Approve me.
I want to see you go around with those dash it away, quick and fast.
Wanna have a good amount to do the same way, don't you? Right? Luna is coming away. Bye.
Prove to that.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, play it.
yeah, I like how you did
One.
Alright, let me take
Them have proof for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Takes out his phone and shows him four and eight.
Ready? And when you hand it to him, you just say 4 of them.
So you hand it to a low angle. I just want to see a hand on it.
Rolling. Action. Hold on, stop. I want you to start by looking at him, then you go feel him.
Okay.
You get the message? Rolling. Action. Now man, look at him here, so don't try.
Yeah.
Don't tilt your head, just look straight at him there, so. Yeah? Rolling.
Nepal try to shut it down because they're in danger.
Good?
You
Yeah.
want to play it little under.
Because we want to alright,
Yeah,
cool.
man.
Yeah, alright, that's great.
So
This
now,
is the walk.
Yeah.
So we up there for months.
Alright.
Not one
Follow me, yeah.
I'm going to picture it, you know.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, 4 o'clock, no more.
Yeah, man.
No, that's what I'm saying. This
one.
one. This is the way it comes.
So I'm stuck.
Yeah. Ready? So you look on it like you work it out in your head, then you make the walk. Rolling, action.
So they out there 4 months and more. And we don't see not one iguana. And all of a sudden, them just appear like a jack out the box. Something nah do.
Line.
Me used to hear so them the upper stage.
You see yourself in the still enough. Ready? Rolling. Yeah, look on. Yeah, come back that way here again.
Yeah.
You have to be the mobile line. Nothing. Right to know about this head?
Yeah.
So what's your follow? You follow into a tuition. Right to know about this. Huh? And then inside. Ready. Rolling. Action.
Cause just do the Port Royal thing with him, man. Soften him up.
What's so special about Port Royal?
Well, him have history there. One of them romantic spot them.
No. Oh no, yeah, I want you to go straight into the line.
Smart, yeah?
I'm sorry.
One more time.
Take 3.
One more time.
And then my start smile, yeah.
Alright.
Over there again. Blah, blah, blah.
Maybe
Just
go.
Yeah, man, gotta do it over.
Rolling. Action.
Cause just do the Port Royal thing with him, man.
What's so special about Port Royal?
No, it's a
Softening up.
Soften up. Okay.
Again.
Yeah.
Take 2.
Now take 5.
Rolling. Action.
Cause just do the Port Royal thing with him, man. Soften him up now.
What's so special about Port Royal?
Well, him have a long history with some of the cheek of them, you know. I want them romantic spot them.
Alright. In the meantime, this plan falls through.
Cut. I don't know what happened because I go right out.
You're just far.
Yeah.
What is happening?
And then last one, you know.
Yeah.
Reception waiting there, you know. You want, she said, voice now?
No, man. Look at
We can try.
Trey.
Come here, come
Catch
here.
the flow. One more time.
We can do this.
And the signal which part with them, Miranda, you see it? With a way up in the sky.
And then you're in that thing, bro. You're over when she and you're a crap up. I feel in that. When you're so you stay so. Turn back on the
Sky.
Yeah, move on this.
Yeah.
Rolling. Action.
Cause do the Port Royal thing with him. Soften him up, no man.
What's so special about Port Royal?
Him go way back, him have history with a whole heap of woman there. So I want them romantic spot them. That me can tell you.
Wait a minute. Alright. Mega auntie. In the meantime, why I heard this stuff? Just in case this plan falls through.
Alright.
Cut. What's it? Finish the line.
Finally.
What's the line?
So I was the line.
No, we do that, but we know you have enough charm to make him change his mind.
Don't do that. But we know you have enough chance to make him change.
So just turn to
Alright.
him.
Turn towards the camera now.
No, yeah, say
Like,
it.
as in your back, not turn to the camera.
Yeah.
Turn on.
Turn the
face.
face. Can I say that?
Oh.
Don't do that. So we know you have enough chance to make him change it.
Yeah.
Rolling. Action.
I would do that, but we know you have enough charm to make him change his mind.
Cut.
That's all about that alone.
The lean back, I like the message.
Oh. Wait, hold on, Miranda. Something not
One
on
more
your
time.
ends.
Oh, say? Yeah.
Come on.
Alright, so.
I'm gonna go again. I'm gonna go again.
Lower.
Okay.